Welcome to Esther Ayong's Hub, where we simplify technology for you. In this video, we'll cover the basics of email, from setting up an account to sending and receiving messages. Whether you're new to email or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the essentials. Let's get started.
Let's talk about email etiquette. It's crucial to keep your emails clear and concise. Always use a proper greeting and sign-off, and don't forget to proofread before you hit send. Proofreading helps catch any typos or errors that could make your email look unprofessional.
Also, use the Reply All button sparingly. Only use it when necessary for everyone to see your response. Keep your tone professional, especially in a work setting. Avoid slang or overly casual language. Opt for a tone that is respectful and courteous.
Be mindful of your attachments. Make sure they're properly named and not too large. Large attachments can clog up the recipient's inbox. Consider compressing multiple files into a single zip file or using a file sharing service. Double-check that you've attached the correct files before hitting send.
Following these simple rules can make a big difference. Be mindful of your email subject line. A clear and relevant subject line helps the recipient understand the purpose of your email at a glance. Avoid vague or misleading subject lines. Be specific and to the point.
Organize your emails. Use folders and labels to keep your inbox tidy. This makes it easier to find important emails when you need them. Use filters to automatically sort incoming emails into specific folders based on criteria like the sender or subject line.
Don't forget about out-of-office replies. If you're going to be away, set up an out-of-office reply to let people know. Also, consider using the email scheduling feature. This allows you to compose emails in advance and schedule them to be sent later.
Email templates can be a great time saver. If you send similar emails frequently, create a template that you can customize. This ensures consistency and saves you time. Just make sure to personalize each email.
Lastly, a good email signature is like a digital business card. It should include your name, job title, company, and contact information. You can also add a professional headshot or company logo for a polished look.
By following these email etiquette tips, you'll become an effective and professional communicator. The way you write and manage your emails can leave a lasting impression, so take the time to do it right.
Recognizing and avoiding spam and phishing emails is crucial for protecting your personal information. First, always check the sender's email address. Scammers often use email addresses that look similar to legitimate ones, but have slight variations. For example, they might replace a letter with a number or add an extra character. If it looks suspicious, don't open it. Even if the email appears to be from someone you know, if it seems out of character or unexpected, it's best to verify with the sender through another communication method. Also, look out for generic greetings like "Dear User" instead of your name. Legitimate companies usually address you by your name, so a generic greeting can be a red flag. And never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. These links can lead to malicious websites designed to steal your information or infect your device with malware. Another tip is to look for spelling and grammar mistakes. Scammers often rush to send out their emails and don't take the time to proofread. Legitimate companies usually don't make these errors. They have professional communication standards and quality checks in place. And if an email asks for personal information or urgent action, it's probably a scam. Scammers create a sense of urgency to pressure you into acting quickly without thinking. Always double-check with the official website or contact the company directly. Don't use the contact information provided in the suspicious email. Instead, find the official contact details from the company's website. Hover over links to see the actual URL before clicking. This can help you identify if the link is legitimate or if it leads to a suspicious website. Enable email filters and spam protection in your email settings. These tools can help automatically detect and filter out suspicious emails. Keep your software and security patches up to date. This helps protect your device from vulnerabilities that scammers might exploit. Use multi-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring more than just your password to access your accounts. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi. Scammers can intercept your data on unsecured networks, so avoid accessing sensitive information when connected to public Wi-Fi. Report spam and phishing emails to your email provider. This helps improve their filters and protects other users from similar threats. To summarize, always verify the sender's email address. Look out for generic greetings. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. And never provide personal information or act on urgent requests without verifying their authenticity. Stay informed and vigilant. Scammers are constantly evolving their tactics, so it's important to stay updated on the latest threats and how to protect yourself. For more information, check out resources from trusted organizations like the Federal Trade Commission or your local cybersecurity authority. They offer valuable tips and updates on how to stay safe online. Remember, staying safe online is a continuous process. By following these tips and staying alert, you can protect yourself from spam and phishing emails.
Well, there you have it. We've covered the basics of setting up an email, understanding email etiquette, and recognizing spam and phishing emails. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practicing good email habits can make your digital life a lot easier and safer. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. If you're new to email, don't worry. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Make sure to explore all the features your email service offers, like organizing your inbox with folders and labels. Use filters to automatically sort incoming emails, which can save you a lot of time. And don't forget about security. Setting up two-factor authentication can add an extra layer of protection to your account. Email is a powerful tool for communication, and mastering it can open up many opportunities. So keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy the benefits of efficient email management. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.